150. Feels about right. This is the Cake Kalk, and it is a fully electrical motorcycle, street legal, and it weighs 150 pounds, which is a lot lighter than me. Whoop, whoop. Get my peanut in here. Snug as a bug in a rug.
You got throttle over here, front brake.
Rear brake's the foot. Okay.
Yeah, so no shifting, no nothing.
Just signal
your controls, signal,
and headlight.
Headlight. You got your horn.
Okay.
So the biggest thing here is there's 3 different ride modes.
Beginner, intermediate. And,
yeah, exactly. You know, 1 it'll go 30, 2 it'll go 40, and then 3 50 to 60, 55, 60.
Okay.
And with each ride mode, you get better throttle response and everything. And then you do have brake modes as well, which acts as your engine braking. So if you're in 1, it's like a freewheel, it's not doing anything. 2 is like a 4-stroke, and then 3 is a little bit more extreme, and you're getting the most regen back to the battery. If you want to start in 2 and 2,
all right.
You know bikes as well. I don't think you're going to be as concerned with the brake mode as you are with the ride mode.
Dude, I'm trying to get my hands on a 50-mile-an-hour scooter. I'm trying to ride that Dualtron Thunder. Okay. So I got myself a piece of cake. I'm about to step out and take a quick run around the block. I'll let you know when I get back. Boom, boom. Which way do you want me to go, George?
Ready.
Go?
Yep.
The ride was really great. It was really smooth. Acceleration was on point. I actually started in mode 3. There are 3 different ride modes. And the motor does make a slight noise, which is a little comforting because I don't think I'd feel comfortable with a totally quiet bike, motorcycle. It does have a little hum to it, which did make me feel a little more at ease. Definitely not loud enough to be heard through a closed car window, but comforting for those of us used to riding the traditional motorized motorcycles. If you look at the seat padding, it's pretty much like you can feel like you can almost sit anywhere on the seat. You can kind of sit back if you're comfortable back, or you can kind of move forward if you want to move forward. Foot pegs are right here, it's nice and clean. One really nice thing for anybody who's ridden motorcycles that's nice with this single gear, this single throttle bike, you don't have to worry about messing the top of your sneakers up while shifting. Because a lot of times when you shift, you click up with your foot and you get like that shift mark in your sneakers or shoes or boots. With the increased ride modes, top speed increases as well as torque. With the brake modes, it increases the brake sensitivity. So this way you can either stop quicker or have an easier stop. Just so people know, I don't just sit my big behind on things, I can lift things too.